Hello, welcome to Renewable Energy, lecture number 1 for Unit 6. So we are starting the next unit. This is a quick lecture to get you going. So you should have the Unit 6 lecture note packet for the guided notes to go along with these lectures. We're going to start off by talking about renewable and non-renewable energy as it relates to how we use energy as humans. So your first objective is to identify the differences between renewable and non-renewable types of energy. So we have the video that we watched earlier, so you can go to the link on the classroom to watch this video again, and then you're going to take notes on the video on this part of the first page of your packet, okay? So watch that, and it will help you understand it better. It's a 4-minute video, but pausing and taking notes will be very helpful. Okay, so that is something that you need to do. You can find this on YouTube, and there's lots of different links to it. So ask me during class if you have any problems getting to that. And now, so yes, watch that. But I am going to move on to the next slide. Okay, so non-renewable energy is energy that is in a fixed amount and cannot be replaced on a human time scale. That's the really big deal here. Earth time scale and human time scale, all right? So this idea of using things without using it up, non-renewables, we're using them up. All right, so non-renewable exists in a fixed amount, okay, that you should have written right there. And here are non-renewables: oil, coal, natural gas, sorry, that says natural gas, my head's a little bit above it, and nuclear. Now, we will be learning more about how natural gas can possibly be made in a renewable way. So put a little asterisk next to the natural gas. And then nuclear is non-renewable, but nuclear is really fascinating because it is so efficient. It's possible that it could be a part of a renewable energy future. Okay, so lots more to come. We'll go into detail on each one of these energy sources, and you're going to have a chance to work together to do a jigsaw to understand each one of these and how they're used to produce electricity and how they're used in a regular, like some things like a gas in your car, which is oil refined into gas. Don't worry, we'll get into it. Okay, renewables are things that can be replenished naturally or near at the rate of consumption. Okay, so these, so solar, yay, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun, the sun. Okay, so solar, we're never using that up, for real. Okay, and we can talk more about that too. Wind, we can't use up the wind. Hydropower, we make dams to let the water run through. That is renewable. Biomass is the things that we use to burn. So if you burn wood, you can release heat. And there's a lot of other information about biomass we'll be getting, like using algae as biomass energy. And this stuff, as long as we use it at the rate of consumption, it's renewable. But it's possible to have biomass being non-renewable if we use it faster than like the trees can grow. And geothermal. Now, here is one thing: geothermal is actually not the sun. What? There's one that's not the sun? Yes, geothermal is not the sun. That is the heat from the inner core of the earth. So we'll be talking about the ultimate sources of energies for all these things too. Oh, there's one more that's not renewable, or not the sun, which is nuclear. Nuclear's energy is not from the sun. So more to come on that. So these are all the things to put into your little light bulb: renewables and non-renewables. And really, that's it for the first lecture. The sun. most of the time, except for nuclear and geothermal.